Hello, my dear students. I am Ms. Munazza Sayed. Welcome you all to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. Today I am going to teach you EVS subject of grade 2. Children, today's good thought is success comes in cans, not in can'ts. Means whatever we are trying for and what we want to achieve, it will come in cans. Means I can do, okay, not in can'ts. Means whereas you should not think the negative things. No, I can't do that. I cannot do that thing. So be focused on your studies and do your best. Okay. Now moving towards our studies, today we are going to learn something interesting, a new topic of EVS. Okay. So in this lesson, first of all, I will ask you some questions. You have to answer me. Children, can you think we can do all the things by our own? Yes? Can you think this, children? Means yes, I can cook by my own, I can do everything by my own without taking anybody's help. Can we do this, children? No. Okay. So, we need somebody to help and to carry out our daily activities. Okay. So, what are those activities like cooking, helping for your homework, and so on? So, we are lucky to have the people around us who help us in many ways. Okay. Are you aware of this, children? Can you name some people who help us in our daily activities? Yes? Mother. Okay, good. Mother for what reason? Some of them will say for helping the homework, and some of them will say, of course, cooking is the first answer. Next, policeman, very good, who catches the thieves and who protects the community, very good. Next, doctors, very good. Doctors, they are treating us when we are ill. So these are the person and many more who help us in each way. Each of the person of this help us in many ways for community. Okay. So today we are going to learn the new lesson of EVS, people who help us. Very good. Open your textbook now. We are going to learn the new topic. Page number 25. Lesson number 5. People who help us. Repeat after me, children. Lesson number 5. People, P-E-O, P-L-E, people, W-H-O, who, H-E-L-P, help, U-S, us, people who help us. Now we are going to see the people who help us in many ways. So for warm up, children, we do have here some pictures. Now what we have to do is look at the pictures given below. Tell your teacher what each person does. Discuss how each person helps us. Now first picture, can you recognize this, children? Good. Police woman. Okay. Traffic police. So how do traffic police help us, children? In which way? Yes, they are controlling the traffic. Good. So it's a very big and a prime duty of them that they are controlling the traffic in such a good manner that it should avoid the accidents and many other problems. Next, newsman means who is selling or who is giving the newspapers to our house? How this newsman help us children? In which way? Yes, very good. Means after taking these newspapers, we will come to know the exact status of our states and countries, about the politics news, about the educational news, everything we will come to know on a proper time, and the current news. Who is he, children? Arey wah, very good. Plumber. Yes. How do plumber helps us, children? Who fixes the taps and pipes. Very good. Milkman. When he will give the milk, then only you are becoming healthy. Means he is supporting us very nicely, means he is providing us, whether however the season it may be rainy, it may be winter, but these people are coming to our home and they are giving the things properly on time to us. Which picture is this? Who is she? Yes, she is cleaning the road. Sweeper. Okay. So they are playing and they are doing their job very nicely, children. These are the persons who clean our society. See, you can see in this picture, she is cleaning the ground, the field. They are playing the most important role, because whenever they will clean, for that sake we are walking on the clean road. Because see, you can see in this picture the papers and the garbage on the field, on the ground. So actually these are the bad things that the people are throwing on the ground. We should not throw anything on the ground, children. So it is their work. I know they have to clean, but it's our job also that we should not throw, we should not spill the things on the ground. A vegetable seller. Yes, they are selling us the vegetables. They are coming near our houses and they are selling the vegetables, so that we are taking that the fresh material and we are cooking that. Means in these, children, including this newspaper, this plumber, milkman and this vegetable seller, we can save our many of the hours and we can save our time in this. Suppose if we want to purchase a newspaper, we have to first of all go out and we have to purchase the newspaper, right? So in this way, suppose our time like 15 or 20 minutes it will go. But these are the people who are coming near our houses and they are giving us the things. So in this way we can save our time also, and we will come to know the current status by the newspaper man. Means he is giving the things on proper time, and even this vegetable seller also. Now children, we are going to see more people who help us in each way, different people who help us in different way. Now repeat after me, children. Many people help us in our daily lives. Yes, children. In our daily lives, many people are helping us. So in which way they are helping, that we are going to see. First one, what this picture shows. Who is he? A cobbler. Repeat the spelling after me. C-O-B-B-L-E-R. Cobbler. C-O-B-B-L-E-R. Cobbler. What is the use of the cobbler, children? How the cobbler is helping us? What you can see in this picture? He is repairing the shoe. Very good. So, the cobbler makes and mends our shoes and slippers. Repeat after me. The cobbler makes and mends, M-E-N-D-S, mends, O-U-R-R-S-H-O-E-S, shoes, A-N-D, slippers, S-L-I-P-P-E-R-S, slippers. Now, mends means what, children? Mends means repair. To repair something. If your shoes and the slippers are broken and not working properly, so they are repairing that. Cobbler means who, children? A person who is repairing the shoes and slippers. Next, who is she, children? Postwoman. Very good. Repeat the spelling after me. P-O-S-T, post. P-O-S-T, post. W-O-M-A-N, woman. Post woman. The postman, repeat the spelling after me. The postman or P-O-S-T, post, M-A-N, man, postman, or the postwoman, P-O-S-T, post, W-O-M-A-N, postwoman, brings, B-R-I-N-G-S, brings, U-S-us, O-U-R-R, letters, L-E-T-T-E-R-S, letters. So, children, the work of the postman and postwoman is they are bringing us, means to our houses, the letters, not only letters, greeting cards, something gifts, anything, the parcel which has come from another city, state. So, what they will do? They will take that parcel from the post office and on the given address on the parcel, on the letter or on the greeting cards and all, they will come to that proper address and see in this picture. In this way, they will give to the proper person or the proper man on whose name the letter or the greeting card has come. Okay. So what they will do, first of all, see, for example, if you want to post a Rakhi to your brother, okay, what you will do, first of all, you will pack the Rakhi and the sweet in a box. Then you have to pack it. After that, you will write the address on that, means where you have to send and who is sending. Okay. So you have to write the address, name of your brother and the phone number. Then you have to give it to the post office. Then that city's post office will send to the, suppose if you want to send in Solapur, they will give to the Solapur post office. From there, the job of a postman or the postwoman starts. What they will do? They will take that parcel and they will give to the particular person. Now here we have the picture gallery, people who help us. Policewoman. Who is he, children? Doctor. Very good. Milkman. A tailor. Cobbler. Yes. A teacher. Very good. Vegetable seller. Postwoman. Okay. So these are the persons who help us. Even many are there. Not only these. Now turn the page, children. We are going to see the more person who help us. Who is she, children? Doctor. Very good. Repeat the spelling. D-O-C T-O-R. Doctor. D-O-C T-O-R. Doctor. Can you tell me, children, what is the use of doctor in our daily lives? How do doctors help us, children? Yes, when we are ill or when we are not feeling well, we will go to doctor. Good. When we are ill, repeat after me, children. When we are ill, the doctors tells us what we must do to get well again. So if you will remember, children, suppose when you went to the doctor and you said that I have cold and cough. So the doctors are guiding us and they are telling us what to do to get well again. Your doctors are telling you, children, that don't eat the ice creams. It is cold and you may get the cold again. And don't eat the oily food, fast food. Again your cough will increase. Right? So in this way the doctors are guiding us. and they are looking after us and guide us in each way if we are not feeling well. There are different kinds of doctors who help us in a different way. Okay? Next. Yes. Who is he? A teacher. Very good. Repeat the spelling after me, children. Teacher spelling Teacher. 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 Our teachers. Repeat after me, children, loudly. Our teachers help us learn in school. Only your teachers are helping us in learning in the schools, children. Do you think what else the teachers are doing for you? Yes, they are guiding. Very good. So the teachers are not only helping you in the school or regarding the school, they are guiding you in each way. Teachers help us and guide us, and they are always making us a good person. They are teaching us the morals and the discipline always. Now teachers are teaching different subject, children, right? You all are learning now Hindi, Marathi, Maths, EVS. So these are the different subjects taught by different teachers. Now here we have some statements that we have to say true or false. First one, a postman or postwoman delivers letters. Is it true, children, or false? True. Very good. Next, we do have the same thing. We have to say whether the statement is true or false. The doctor and nurse take care of people who are sick. Means the doctor and the nurses are taking care of the people, those who are not feeling well. Sick means what? They are not feeling well. Okay? True. Yes, they are taking care of the people who are suffering from any disease or who are not well. The cobbler stitches clothes. Yes, it's true now, children. The cobbler is stitching the clothes. No. Very good. You said the right answer. It's false. So what does the cobbler do, children, then? If he is not stitching the clothes, then what he is doing? He is mending the shoes and slippers. Good. A tailor helps catch burglars. He is catching the thieves and the bad people. Children, a tailor? False. A teacher helps us to learn. False. Teacher is not helping to learn, right? Yes, teacher is helping. I was just testing you how do you all are answering. A teacher help us to learn. Good. Next we have here police woman. P-O, repeat the spelling after me. P-O-L-I-C-E. Police. We'll break the spelling, children, here. P-O-L-I-C-E. Police. W-O-M-A-N. Woman. Police woman. The policemen and policewomen keep our neighborhood safe. The policemen and policewomen keep our neighborhood safe. Repeat the spelling of neighborhood after me, children. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R. Neighbor. H-O-O-D hood. Neighborhood. S-A-F-E. Safe. Not only the policemen and policewomen keep our neighborhood safe, but also they maintain laws and orders given by the government. Who is he, children? A tailor. Very good. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. The tailor stitches new clothes for us. The tailor stitches S-T-I-T-C-H-E-S. Stitches new clothes for us. So if we will take the material or only the cloth, the tailor will design that particular cloth in the dress. Okay. Next we have shopkeeper. S-H-O-P, shop. K-E-E-P-E-R, keeper. See how this girl is purchasing the things from this shopkeeper. Even you also are going to the shops, children, to buy the chocolates or something else. So the shopkeeper sells us things we need every day. So whatever we need in our daily life, the shopkeeper is selling us, and we too, we are purchasing the particular things from them. Now every day what we need, children, like bread, eggs, milk, For our educational material like pencils and notebooks and so on. Not only these things the shopkeeper is selling, even the grains and pulses also the shopkeepers are selling. So these are the people who help us in many ways. Even more than this, we have the people who help us, who serves for us. So children, in this way, we have come to know the people. Actually, we were knowing these people, how do they help us? But today, we saw something more informative about them. So these are the people who help us in our daily lives for the whole community and for society. So now what we have to do, our today's homework is, we have to read lesson number 5 of EVS, people who helps us. You have to read this lesson very carefully, children, and in our next period we are going to see the animation which you all like the most. We are going to see that animation and we will revise the lesson again, then we will solve the textbook exercise. Okay, thank you.